Well, we've got some big news to share about ChatGPT. There's been a massive leak revealing some insane new ChatGPT features. We can't wait to walk you through all these exciting updates and explain each of them in detail. But before we dive into the details, we have a question for you. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get started. So this leak is coming from AI Leaks, which is a subreddit where people share leaks and rumors about AI developments from various sources. Some of these leaks are legit, and some are not so. You have to be careful and do your own research. But this one was posted by ChatGPT Insider, who claims to be an employee of OpenAI who works on ChatGPT. Now, before you dismiss this as fake or unreliable, let me tell you something. This user has posted several leaks before that turned out to be true. For example, they leaked the release date of ChatGPT Plus, the premium version of ChatGPT. They also leaked the launch of GPT-4, and they leaked the collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft Bing, which resulted in Bing's chat mode that uses ChatGPT as its backend. So the user has a track record of being accurate and credible when it comes to leaking information about OpenAI and ChatGPT. That's why I decided to take their latest post seriously and investigate further. And boy, am I glad I did, because what they revealed is honestly amazing. According to ChatGPT Insider, OpenAI is working on 3 new features for ChatGPT that will be released soon. Let me explain what each of these features means and why they are so awesome. The first feature is Workspaces. This is a feature that allows users to create their own virtual environments where they can interact with ChatGPT in different ways. For example, you can create a workspace for learning a new language where ChatGPT will act as your tutor and teach you vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, etc. Or you can create a workspace for coding where ChatGPT will act as your mentor and help you debug, optimize, and test your code. Or you can create a workspace for gaming where ChatGPT will act as your companion and play games with you such as chess, trivia, or role-playing games. There are so many possibilities, and you can create as many workspaces as you want and switch between them easily. You can also invite other users to join your workspaces and collaborate with them in ChatGPT. For example, you can create a workspace for brainstorming ideas for a project where you and your teammates can chat with ChatGPT and get suggestions, feedback, and inspiration from it. Or you can create a workspace for entertainment where you and your friends can chat with ChatGPT and have fun with it, such as telling jokes, stories, or riddles. Workspaces are a game changer because they allow users to customize their experience with ChatGPT and use it for different purposes and contexts. They also enhance the user experience by making it more immersive, interactive, and social. Imagine being able to talk to ChatGPT in any way you want, in any environment you want, with anyone you want. Alright, now, the second feature is Profiles. This is a feature that allows users to create their own personal profiles for ChatGPT, where they can specify their preferences, interests, personality traits, etc. For example, you can create a profile that tells ChatGPT that you like sci-fi movies, rock music, and pizza. Or you can create a profile that tells ChatGPT that you are shy, curious, and sarcastic. Why is this important? Because it allows ChatGPT to personalize its responses to you based on your profile. For example, if you tell ChatGPT that you like sci-fi movies, it might recommend you some movies that you haven't seen yet or ask you questions about your favorite one. Or if you tell ChatGPT that you are shy, it might try to make you feel more comfortable and confident by giving you compliments or encouragement. Profiles are important because they make the interaction between users and ChatGPT more human-like and natural. They also make the interaction more engaging and interesting by allowing users to express themselves and discover new things about themselves in ChatGPT. Imagine being able to talk to ChatGPT as if it knows you well and cares about you. Now, the third feature is File Uploads. This is a feature that allows users to upload files to ChatGPT and use them as inputs or outputs for the conversation. For example, you can upload an image of a painting and ask ChatGPT to describe it or critique it. Or you can upload a text file of an essay and ask ChatGPT to summarize it or improve it. Or you can upload an audio file of a song and ask ChatGPT to transcribe it or remix it. The types of files that you can upload are not limited to images, texts, and audios. You can also upload videos, PDFs, spreadsheets, slideshows, etc. You can also upload multiple files at once and ask ChatGPT to combine them or compare them. For example, you can upload 2 images of different outfits and ask ChatGPT which one looks better on you, or you can upload 2 text files of different resumes and ask ChatGPT which one is more impressive. File uploads are amazing because they allow users to use ChatGPT for more complex and creative tasks that involve different types of media and data. They also allow users to get more value and feedback from ChatGPT by using their own files as inputs or outputs for the conversation. So essentially, you're able to use ChatGPT as a tool for learning, working, creating, or having fun with any file that you have or want, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. So, these are the 3 new features that have been leaked for ChatGPT, Workspaces, Profiles, and File Uploads. I think these features are absolutely mind-blowing and revolutionary. They will take ChatGPT to the next level of AI chatbot technology and make it more powerful, versatile, and enjoyable than ever before. But wait, there's another piece of information that ChatGPT insiders shared in their post that I think is very important and exciting. They said that OpenAI is planning to launch a business variant of ChatGPT soon. This means that they will offer a version of ChatGPT that is tailored for business use cases and applications. What does this mean? Well, it means that businesses will be able to use ChatGPT as a platform for building their own AI chatbots for various purposes and domains. For example, businesses will be able to use ChatGPT to create chatbots for customer service, sales, marketing, education, healthcare, entertainment, etc. The cool thing is, businesses can now use ChatGPT's new features for their own chatbots. Here's how. With the Workspaces feature, a travel company's bot can help customers plan trips. Each destination gets its own workspace with information and booking services. Similarly, an education firm's bot could use this feature to teach students different courses. The Profiles feature allows bots to personalize their service. For example, a store's bot could make product suggestions based on a customer's profile, which includes their preferences and interests. A healthcare bot can provide advice based on a patient's medical history and goals. Using the File Uploads feature, a media company's bot could let users create their own content. Customers can upload pictures, videos, or audios and get help editing or enhancing them. So, OpenAI has done a really clever thing here. They haven't just created cool technology, they've made it so that everyone can use it and find it helpful. Like I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, I see ChatGPT as an ultimate tool that everyone will start using sooner or later. They might use it in different forms or for different purposes, but eventually, it will turn into a personal helper for everyone. Without using it, it'll be hard to stay ahead. And of course, it's not only OpenAI that's making progress. Google is also doing some amazing work with Bard, and there are so many other companies working on AI. Even for it's tough to keep up with everything that's happening, but we'll do our best, and we'll be right here to keep you informed and up to speed. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay tuned for more, do us a favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.